How to send money to someone without a Wise account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to send money through Wise but the recipient doesn't have an account, no worries. Wise makes that easy, and here is how to do it in few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, you can simply scroll down and tap on send button. And once you've done that on the new page, you just have to select the currency that you want to send and the amount. And after that, Wise will show you the real exchange rate and fees. And next, you just have to select someone else in the recipient, and here you just have to enter the email address, and if they don't have an Wise account, Wise will send them an invite link to enter their bank details securely. And after that, the recipient gets an email from Wise, and all they need to do is open the link and add their bank account info. No need to sign up for Wise. And finally, choose your payment method like card balance or bank transfer and confirm. And with that, Wise will process the transfer once the recipient adds their details. And that's it. That's how you can send money worldwide even if they don't have to use the Wise. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.